Today is Valentine's Day. These are the Yukon Gold potatoes planted right out a month ago. There were 3 bags. This is the first one that came up here. They look great. Very excited. I did plant 3 potatoes in each one of these 3 bags. Only 2 came up in each, which makes me question, did I plant 3 or did I plant 2? Have to see if I can figure that out. But a month later, they are looking strong. They're sitting in a sunny spot. They're getting regular water, and they're just growing like gangbusters. The exciting thing is, if you'll remember, there's another bag that we planted up on January 28th during the January outer garden bed tour, because we found this bag, this grow bag of old potatoes. We harvested tiny potato and a egg-sized potato from it, but we replanted some of the others from our last year's harvest from June. And look, here it is, right on time, a little over 2 weeks later. 1, 2, and look at there, 3 potatoes coming up. I am so excited. Take these weeds out of here. So that's the one planted January 28th during the January outer bed garden tour. So potatoes are looking good. We're gonna have potatoes this year. We only planted, I think we only planted 3 bags last year. We're gonna do a better job of succession planting these in the future. Hey, if you're just stumbling along here, finding our channel, please subscribe. We talk mostly about gardening, sometimes about life. If you've already subscribed, we appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please click the thumbs up if you thought it was informational, educational, entertaining, and share on your social media. Have a blessed day.